Hi, my name is Ryan Crancham.
Yes, I started up a new YouTube channel, and this is Stuffed Animal versus Cat. Let's begin. Dead Days! Penguin beating up on a cat named Buck. As the Buck is now retreated. Yes.
This is stupid. It's not my idea.
Yeah, that's my neighbor. Say hello.
What?
Okay. Penguin, attack! Deuce, 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 deuce. As you cannot see, the penguin is attacking a cat. Oh God. I did not expect him to... I did not expect that. Boosh, boosh, boosh. As you can see, the cat is stuck in a corner. You're scared. And the cat is searching for guinea pigs, and this stuffed animal needs to save the day. The cat needs to come out from that corner. Come out, kitty, kitty, dibby.
Come out, kitty, kitty, kitty. Wow.
Yep.
Are you still recording?
Yes, I'm still recording. As you see, the penguin is pecking at the cat. Oh, what's this? The penguin's sticking his beak in the cat's ears. And this is that was cat versus penguin.